You're watching Foxtecc, and today we're looking at why your iPad might stop charging randomly. It can be frustrating when your device seems to start charging just fine and then suddenly stops without warning. Let's go over the most common causes and what you can do about them. First, check the basics, your charging cable and power adapter. If either one is damaged or not Apple certified, that alone could be the issue. Some third-party accessories don't provide consistent power, which leads to interruptions in charging. Also, if you're charging through a computer USB port, keep in mind that many of them don't supply enough power to charge an iPad reliably. Next, take a look at the charging port itself. Even a small amount of dirt or debris can block the connection between your cable and the iPad. Gently clean out the port with a soft brush or a burst of air. It's a simple step that can often fix the problem instantly. Heat can also cause your iPad to stop charging. If the device gets too warm, especially when using demanding apps while plugged in, it may automatically pause charging to protect the battery. Give it a break and let it cool down if you notice it's hot to the touch. Software can also play a part. If your iPad is running an older version of iPadOS or has a minor glitch, it might affect charging behavior. Try restarting the device and checking for updates. Also remember that Apple's optimized battery charging feature can temporarily pause charging based on your usage habits to help preserve battery health. Lastly, if nothing else explains it, there could be a deeper issue like a failing battery or a faulty charging chip. In that case, you'll want to reach out to Apple support or visit a technician for a proper diagnosis. Thanks for watching Foxtecc. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more straightforward tech tips. See you later.